Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make status and navigation bar auto hide when two apps open in split screen mode in Samsung. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Samsung home screen. So firstly just open the settings and now just scroll down below. I will see here one option written advanced features. Just tap on it. Now you will see here one option written labs. Just tap on it. Now here you will see one option written full screen in split screen view. So just tap on it. Now just turn it on. Now just minimize it. Now say let me open two applications. Firstly say let me open just a gallery and let me open a Google Chrome. So now just open the recent apps and now just tap and hold on the respective application icon. Now you can see here the status bar as well as the bottom navigation bar has been auto hidden, as you can see. So in order to unhide, just swipe from downwards to upwards. So now you can see the status bar. So if you close the split screen, it will show up again. So by using this hidden features included inside the settings, you can make status and navigation bar auto hide when two apps opened in split screen mode in Samsung very easily. So if you never known about this cool hidden features, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.